got enough of this fever. I know nothing would remain.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.
Hi bees, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jessie. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we are actually attempting to do Bella Hadid's super cute, super trendy ponytail. So let's get right into it.
Oh, 'cause you're picking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can stay.
Split your fringe to the side
Every mistake, fall out and get up.
and pull out the front section of it.
Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be your friend.
Pin it in place. I also like to just tie it so it's out of the way as well.
Always, you don't need to be your friend.
I know it looks ridiculous.
Yeah.
Now you just comb your hair into a high ponytail. For me, I like to use 2 elastic bands just so that it holds it up because my hair is pretty thick.
Don't you know what happens to dreams you don't fall?
Just pull it to tighten it up. And then grab a section of hair from your ponytail and wrap it around your elastic band just to hide the elastic.
'Cause you're picking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again.
You can now take off the pin on the fringe.
Always, you don't need to be your friend. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be your friend.
For the fringe section, use a bobby pin to clip it back in place. Because my fringe is short for my bangs, they don't really stay in place. So I use a bit of hairspray, a bit of wax, using this little brush, and I comb it back. With the longer part of the fringe, I just pull it back and wrap it around the ponytail as well, and then pin it in place so that it blends in with the rest of the hair. Curl the ends of your ponytail. I know Bella Hadid curls it inwards in her ponytail, but I have curled it outwards.
You can see it and waste away.
So here's the finished look. Really simple, cute, easy to do, and as you can see, it also works if you have a fringe, just pin it down. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe to see more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.